you're watching now is completely autonomous and pre-programmed. Robots moving in their own direction, 5484. That's Wolfpack quickly delivering a note to the top part of their speaker. Each note delivered in the speaker during that first 15 seconds is worth 5 points. As we enter the teleoperated period, the human controllers have picked up their robots and are maneuvering them. They spent the last 12 weeks building these. 3559 as the Thundercats delivering a note into the amp. The amp is that scoring location closer to the audience. 1 point for every note scored there. A note where those orange rings that you see flying around, depending on where you score that, they're worth different points. 9453 moving across the center of their field. They've got a tank mechanism, that's the 3 wheels on each side, allowing them to move quickly, but not quite that smooth. 8564, that's the disco haircuts, moving around the field down the blue line side of the field. Scores currently 30-23 in favor of the Blue Lions. Both teams have agreed to cooperate. That's that handshake icon you see on the audience display. That means they've delivered a note to the amp and used it to cooperate with each other. 81-16, that's Patrick Robotics. They're from just across the street here in Washington, hoping to deliver a note to the top part of their speaker. Teams can choose to amplify their notes for additional points. They have to score up 2 first in the amp and then activate that 10-second time. Teams are looking to get 15 notes at a time for that ranking point bonus. That is what is going to affect their scores here at the end of the match. A minute remaining, scores currently 34-24. 85-64 on the far side of the field, but very quickly to deliver some notes from their human player station known as the Source. They're here to pick up those orange rings known as notes. 81-16, looking across the teams from here on the far side of the field. They're trying to prevent their opponents from scoring additional during this time. A lot of teams with that low floor factor allowing them to head under the stage, which is that metallic structure you see a lot of teams will climb on here just in a few moments. 22 seconds remaining in the match. In 20 seconds, we heard that guitar riff. We'll start to see human players tossing those taped rings. They're hoping to land it on those posts on top of the stage successfully. It's an additional point for their line to them to roll it underneath it. 7 seconds. Red Alliance trying to slide a bunch of that 34-55. That's a Techno Cats already on the ground. That's the end of Qualification Match 1 here at Washington.